everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is I, Tisha, back with another video, and I'm excited to have you here. So today, we pretty much just gonna talk a bit, if that's okay with you. So, if you haven't seen the description, we're gonna be talking about how can you not digitize, my apologies, but how can you sell and make digital products. So, it's 2024. You saying, Tisha, girl, I don't have the capital to buy all these machines. I don't have a building. I don't have this. I don't have that. Whatever the case may be. How can I still put myself out there to start a business? Even not a business, but how can I start a hobby? Because I know a lot of people don't want to enter the business world, but they are interested in the creatives. So whichever situation that you're in, whichever one is better for you, I just want to tell you that there's a solution to everything. So my take on that is, because I'm actually pursuing it myself as well. I have a store, yes. I have a bunch of different products, yes, I do. I have a bunch of merchandise, yes, I do. However, my issue was I didn't have enough space to put all the inventory, so I moved over into having this space here that I have now. But it's also with COVID, a lot of people, it's like, okay, yes, COVID may have passed, but I ain't trusting that. You revealed it to me, now I'm seeing for what it is. So it's just different ways and different scenarios that has you thinking, how can I just do digital products? How can I just make and sell digital products? Well, let me help you. All right, so let's get it. So for your digital products, there are a bunch of different ways you can go. As always, I only speak on experience. I only speak on things that I have done or looked into doing. That's the only thing that I can share with you, because I don't want to lead you in the wrong direction. I don't want to steer you wrong. So I'm just speaking off of experience. And for me, I think that what I am doing is putting yourself on print on demand. So what that means is, open you up maybe an Etsy shop, so that way your products are seen by multiple different people that's just searching the web, because you never know what people are searching for. So I would say Etsy, or even a TikTok shop, or because from my understanding, you don't have to have certain number of subscribers or followers to enter into the TikTok shop. And speaking of subscribers, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it. But you can do things like that. Instagram shop. You can also open up, because the digital world, it's pretty much endless. I feel like in 2024, and not just 2024, but I feel like in today's society, there are multiple different ways to make different streams of income to do some type of thing, but everything requires that C word, consistency. I know that, that's the hard part, is doing something that you can stick with. Maybe going to a 9 to 5, maybe, just easier than, every day getting up to do this, but you think about it, you're doing the same thing. You helping somebody else build their vision. Why not you use that same time to build yours? Yes, it may take longer, but you never know until you try, until you start doing it. So for our digital products, that is a way for you to still work your job, as well as push out some products and put 3, 4, 5 hours, or how much every time that you need, depending on what you're doing, into your digital products. And as it scale up, then you realize that you can make that transition. But like I said, I'm not here to talk about into being a business owner. I do want to make sure I put that disclaimer out there. It's just that is my passion, because I just love being a business owner. I love being in the entrepreneurial world, and I feel like a lot of people have that creativity. A lot of people have that booming idea that can push them out there. However, what's for you is for you. If being a business owner is not for you, but you strictly love just doing it for fun and putting, selling products and making a little extra side hustle, then that is wonderful. Do what you gotta do, because prices are high. And I mean high. Like, I went to the grocery store and I bought like 40 items and paid almost $200, $400 for little stuff like fruits, because I love fruits. I'm a little skinny, but anyway. So I'm just saying that it just consistency. You just have to have consistency with whatever you do. But just to give you some ideas off of what I've been doing is, like I said before, create you that TikTok shop, that Etsy account. You can go to Instagram shop. Just go to whatever social platform that you like, that you feel like you can start with. Start small and work your way up. Don't just try to cram everything in, because you don't want to get overwhelmed or burned out before you even get started good. So just take it step by step, create one of those, and then go from there. And once you create that shop, and once you create that digital shop, that virtual shop, then what you would do is go to printify.com, and this is not sponsored or anything. Like I said, this is just stuff I do. But go to printify.com and sign up for that. You can do the free account. You can do that, and just just to get your ideas out there. And if you enjoy making designs, so like t-shirt designs or mugs, if you they have so many products. They got like over 300 or so, 800 or so products that you can design in different colors, different variety of sizes. So that gives you a wide array of things to try, even if it's just doing two things. Maybe do for right now, yes, the market is kind of like overwhelming with t-shirt designers, but say you want to do sweaters right now. There's people like me who stay cold year round, so that love sweaters. Obviously, it's kind of warm outside, but I'm sitting here rocking a sweater. So say you want to do a sweater, or maybe a bag. I love bags. There's people like that. If you like something, 9 times out of 10, there's a bunch of group of people who like the same things, because there's so many people in the world. So, and the numbers are there. So, just find what you think works, and then go with that, flow with that. And then as time progresses, like I do, I ask for suggestions, I ask for opinions. Like now, what I'm doing is, so I have this Stanley Cup, and I know that a lot of people are in, like right now, this is trendy. So design the top of it. So that's what I was gonna do. You can design the top of it using some digital files, and by doing that, you can just simply go to Canva. So you can simply go to Canva and make the designs, and then and upload it to whichever shop that you prefer, which I would suggest Etsy, because there's a lot of creatives, a lot of crafters on Etsy that's just looking for a nice design to upload. There's also a lot of people who just want something that they can quickly grab and go, because hey, you never know how many people just have a Cricut machine just sitting in their extra room, in their basement, or in their closet. They're just waiting to use, and they just want to learn how to use it. So they go to Etsy to get a file, which could be your file, and just to give them some practice with. And while they practicing, you making money from it. It's a win-win. So I feel like that's crafters helping each other, and in that sense is how I think. So that's just what I think. And just to make it clear, because I know I tend to talk fast, but I would say, I'm gonna try to break it down. I'm trying to slow down a little bit, because I really want you to get this, because I want everybody to win and succeed. This is why I love doing stuff to help others, because hey, this world is too big to just hold stuff in. So I would suggest, step by step, creating you an account with Etsy or TikTok shop, or maybe even Instagram shop. So creating that shop first, and then open you up account with printify.com, and just follow the steps to sign up and open up that account. And you don't have to you don't have to do an LLC for any of these as of yet, if that's not what you're wanting to do. But open up that account for printify.com, and then push your designs, put your creativity onto their templates that they have up there. That's already have description. It already has the a kind of like general idea of pricing, what you want to profit from. So I really like Printify. So you can just upload your designs, which you can make in Canva. So open up a Canva account, start you a Canva account, Canva. A lot of these programs are kind of difficult to learn, but I feel like personally Canva is the best one that's beginner friendly. So open up a Canva, and then make you whatever design you have. It can be as simple, as creative, as wild as you want, because like I said, you have the thought, there might be a bunch of people out there just like you to have that same idea and really love it enough to buy it. So you never know until you post it out there. So don't second guess yourself. If I didn't think the Pray Hustle Thrive was all that. I was like, because I'm faith based, yes. So I know that I was like, okay, a lot of people probably not gonna like this. They probably saying, all right, this doing too much. You're gonna walk around, No, it's just things that was going on in my head, but I posted it anyway, and I seen great success from it for almost 5 years now, because that's the first design I made, and it shocked me. So, and I still make it to this day. So create that Canva account, and then upload it's gonna say download, and I can show you in step by step. I'm using the system. I can do a screen share if that would help as well. Just let me know in the comments. Let me know, because I don't know unless you tell me, and I'm literally trying to get these topics together so I can help you as much as I can. So just let me know if you want to see a screen share of step by step on how to do each thing. So again, in Canva, you would just download whatever design that you create. You would download it and make sure you put it in transparent and as an SVG file so that you can upload it to Printify for the best results. And then Printify, from there, you connect it to your Etsy, you connect it to your TikTok or your Instagram store shop, and then that way when someone buy from your digital online store, then Printify will make it and send it to them. That's why it's print on demand. You do not have to have products everywhere. You do not have to keep up with all this inventory. You do not have to keep up with addresses and receipts. You don't have to do You don't have to do any of that. You could just have Printify to do everything for you, and you just get paid for it. So I feel like that's the great digital product to make and sell, especially in 2024, especially now with Valentine's Day coming up. If you start now, then you should be able to make a few sales by Valentine's Day, and get your friends and family involved. I know a lot of people don't want their friends and family involved, but why wouldn't they want to see you succeed? So if your family really support you, then you would know. So that's how I think. But anyway, just get different people involved. Say, hey, buy this product from off of my TikTok or my Etsy, and leave a review, and I will give you. If you know them, just be creative with it. That's a digital product. And if you're saying I'm not good with design and stuff, okay, cool. Guess what? I got another one for you. ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So that's for the ones who don't want to create physical, not physical, but don't want to. It's not really artistic. So if you're not really on the artistic side, you don't really know what to put on a sweatshirt, you don't really know what to put on a bag, then that's fine. So we moving on. So if you're not interested in that, we have ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, what you would do is, if you have an Apple device, you'll get a ChatGPT. If you don't have an Apple device, I'm pretty sure you can Google. So if you have like Android, I'm pretty sure you can Google. I really don't know for sure because I don't have an Android. I have Apple, but I'm pretty sure you can Google some way, or you can go to Fiverr. I put it that way. If you don't have an Apple to get ChatGPT, then I suggest getting a Fiverr account and then hiring someone to help create you a digital ebook. So that's another thing. And the ebook, I made one on Amazon under my name, my first name, my real name, Quanita Bullock. So I made one in 2023. So it's kind of like outdated now. It wouldn't even apply now. I have to do a new one. But get you an ebook and post that onto your different sites, onto your on your Instagram store, on your create an Amazon account and put it there for your Kindle. There's different things to do even with that. If you're not interested in doing the reading or making ebooks, then guess what? You can create a class. Find something that you're really good at. Make some live videos, maybe one time a week, and upload it onto different platforms. For example, Wix. So I use Wix, so that's why I used to host my coaching classes. If you're interested in coaching classes, then that's a good one. Or Loom, that's a video recording, or Zoom, or it's something for everybody. That's what I strongly believe. So I hope this helped, and I hope this gives you some ideas. I hope that it start working out some brainstorming within your mind on what you think would be a good fit for you. And another thing that I did that I would suggest you do as well, because me, I'm a jack of all trades. Until I find another word for to use for it, that's what I'm gonna say. I'm a jack of all trades, so I'm multi-talented. Put it that way. I'm multi-talented, so I'm somewhere everywhere. But before that, before I started just picking at everything, because I feel like if you restrict yourself to one thing, then you miss out on some other things that you possibly knew how to do. So I have a lot of certificates, I have a college degree, I have all these different skills, because I want to be able to pick up where I can to keep generating, because again, I'm a mom and a wife, so I want to make sure that I have those extra funds when needed, if needed. So, but if you would know, again, start off small, work your way up. Learn one skill at a time. You're only one person. You can't give 100% to everything. So one thing at a time until you grow. Like right now, I'm in real estate, so right now I'm giving 50% to real estate, 50% to my business. So that works out for me, because that gives me that 100%. So it's just different ways, but I would suggest getting a pen and paper. I love pen and paper. Get a pen and paper and write down what you're strong at, what you're good at, what are your strengths, what is something that you enjoy doing that you can do, without getting paid right away. Because having doing something new, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna take some time for it to actually grow and build that revenue. So what is something that you can do even if you don't get paid for months down the road? So write that, then write a list of things that you know that you're not good at. And what you're gonna do with that list is you're gonna look at it, and then you're gonna say, okay, well, do I know somebody that can do this? Can I partner with someone that can do this? Okay, so I'm gonna hold it to the side. I'm not gonna knock it out because it's something I cannot do, because you can always learn. So, is there classes I can take for this? Is there certificates I can get, so I can learn this, I can get skilled at this? So that's what you're gonna do with that list, and you're gonna turn those weaknesses into a strength and keep on building. So that's what I got for you. I hope this video wasn't super long, because I get really passionate about helping others succeed, because this world is too big for us to be struggling. This world is too big for our creativities and our artistic side to just be put on the back burner. So I hope this video helps, and until the next video, y'all, I'll see y'all soon. I'm about to go create something to put something on this here cup, because it's been plain too long. As much as I love plain, I has a little design to it. So that's all I got for y'all. So if you have not visited my Etsy shop, please go over to it. I will link it in the description down below, so that you will have it to go to just to view some of the items I made. Right now it's not many, because with Etsy you do upload a few items at a time, or restrict your account or something like that. So I ran into that issue, so I do want to make sure that you know that as well. So just post a few every day or every other day. So maybe no more than 4 or 5 every other day, and see how that go for you, because I don't want you to be restricted. I want you to be able to get your coins. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.